Water cooling, one of our favourite hobbies. It always interests us when companies invent new and exciting products to further the water cooling industry. Here today we're at the Thermaltake booth at CES checking out their new water cooling products. Firstly, we have the W7 CPU water block. I'm so glad Thermaltake have created a see-through block. Their line of CPU blocks have been lacking clear options since the W3, so it's good to see some new designs. This particular block seems to have the same port layout and design as the W4 block, but now we can see the liquid inside. Thermaltake have invented a new type of GPU block. This block design allows for the inlet and the outlet to rotate into different positions so that you can achieve a perfect 90-degree straight bend out of the CPU and into the GPU. Most current GPU blocks on the market will slightly be offset from the CPU block. The only thing that I do not like about this block is how big the TT logo section of this is. I think Thermaltake would really benefit from releasing a simple, plain, clean design. I'd also love to see a nickel-plated option in their CPU blocks. Their new pump res combo is called the Pacific PR32D5. Its functions are exactly the same as their previous versions, just with a new and improved look. Thermaltake has new color options for their fittings. Thermaltake released their C Pro line of fittings in many color options, but only had 2 color options for their 90-degree fittings. We now have color options for the 90-degree fittings, so users are able to customize the color of all of the fittings in their build. That should create some pretty cool designs. Thermaltake now also have double fin radiators, and these radiators have some weight to them. The fins are very compact, so I do worry about how the static pressure is in their new fans, because if you have fins this dense, you need high static pressure fans to be able to push the air through them. You guys may have seen Thermaltake's range of new distro options. They have a new range available now. You can mount these on the Core P5 and also in any 360 mounting position to enhance the look of your water cooling loop. Last but not least, we have the Distro Case, which is the Core P3 but with a distro plate as the main case housing, which I touched on in the case video that we released earlier. Now before we go, I just wanted to show you guys one more thing. Thermaltake have been working on some sleeve tube options using hydro dipping. They're looking to have these options available in their LCGS PC builds for a unique look. Let us know down in the comments what you think about these below. Anyway guys, that about wraps it up for Thermaltake's water cooling gear. I hope you all enjoyed. Remember to leave a like, consider subscribing. Also check out our Patreon if you want to help support the channel. And if that is not for you, become a member on the channel. It is greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one.